For 20 years, the blue hyperlink was a standard currency on the internet, but that system is being replaced as the traditional search interface dissolves. Today, 60% of online searches end without a single click to any website. The user asks a question, the AI generates the answer, and the journey stops there. Models intercept those queries. Holding your number one spot on Google for your most critical keywords is becoming irrelevant. If you aren't actually cited in AI's response, you don't exist to the buyer. Most marketing teams are still aggressively optimizing for clicks and search rankings. They're fighting for a metric rapidly losing value, leaving them invisible to the modern internet. While traditional search is losing volume, AI is routing massive new traffic. During Black Friday, AI-driven visits to US retail sites surged 805% year over year. That chart compares conversion rates based on traffic source. Visitors driving through AI-generated answers converted twice the rate of traditional organic search because the AI already has pre-sold them on the solution. In a single weekend, AI systems influenced 13.5 billion on-holiday orders. This is the rise of agentic commerce. Artificial intelligence is now an autonomous buying agent, making decisions and recommendations on behalf of the customer. This transition from human clicks to AI agent represents the most lucrative commercial shift in a decade. But capturing that revenue requires a completely different operational playbook. To stay visible, marketing strategy must pivot towards answer engine optimization, AEO, and generative engine optimization, GEO. Instead of tracking clicks, these strategies track how frequently an AI is pulling citations from your content. Because buyers use different tools, you must map these citations concurrently, checking your brand's footprints inside ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity. If you're starting from zero, Hall provides a free audit. An audit acts as a watchtower, alerting you to visibility shifts. You have to know where you stand currently before you spend a budget trying to influence the results. Establishing that initial baseline is a mandatory first step. For teams that already have established SEO workflows, you don't necessarily need to build a new software stack from scratch. Platforms like SEMrush and SE Ranking have built low-friction add-ons. They allow you to overlay AI visibility metrics directly onto the rank tracking dashboards you already are using. But as operations grow, measuring visibility isn't enough. High-growth teams require tools that can process citation data across dozens of accounts. This is where the mid-market platforms like Carrot come in, built for agencies running AEO across multiple client accounts, while Peak AI provides streamlined reporting designed for a single growth stage brand. These mid-tier options bridge the operational gap. They take the marketing team from passively watching their AI footprint to actively reacting to data at high velocity. At the enterprise level, the goals move beyond measurement. Teams with dedicated headcount are now actively shaping the narrative the AI tells about their brand. Platforms like Wordy AI allow marketers to execute active optimization across multiple language models, while Profound maps out the deep structural brand narratives the AI has constructed across the web. Then there's Athena HQ, which introduces a feature called Competitor Impersonation. This graphic shows how that technology operates. It works backwards from the final answer, allowing you to reverse engineer the specific weighted criteria that cause an AI to cite a rival brand instead of yours. Enterprise platforms give you the actual levers. When you know exactly why the model chose a competitor, you can adjust your content strategy to force the AI to alter its ultimate recommendation. Ultimately, the software is just a tool for reaching your true operational goals, tracking mapped questions, non-brand visibility, and the source pipeline. If you deploy an AEO dashboard but fail to connect these citation metrics directly to the business outcomes and revenue, you're just generating vanity metrics. The stakes are massive. Global agentic commerce purchases executed entirely by AI will reach $5 trillion in value by 2030. Future-proof leadership requires a full pivot, optimizing every piece of content for citation. By developing the correct AEO stack today, you ensure that when the world's most powerful language models are asked to make a choice, they choose your brand.